Welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from our science subject, so let us do some exercises from the lesson Earth, Sun and Moon. Okay children, so the first exercise here is um, choose the correct option for each of the following. So already we have completed the lesson. So we have learnt so many things which deals with Earth and the universe. So let us choose the correct option for the questions. The first one is the coldest planet of the solar system is the coldest planet. So we are having 8 planets, totally 8 planets. No. So from that 8 planets, which is the coldest planet? Is it Neptune, Uranus, Mars or Earth? And the answer is B children, that is Uranus. Okay. So second question is major constituents of the sun are. Major constituents of the sun are. So what are those gases which we do have in the sun? Hydrogen and helium, need and oxygen, helium and oxygen and hydrogen and oxygen. And the answer is A, that is hydrogen and helium. Clear children? Third one, solid rocks are found in the outer region of the dash. So these are we are talking about the layers of the earth children. So where do you find the solid rocks from the layers of the earth? Either in core, corona, crater, mantle. No. So corona is the outer layer of the sun. Crater is the surface of the sun, like the holes, no, the round holes on the surface of the moon, on the surface of the moon. Whereas core is the inner layer of the earth. Again, mantle is also a layer, that is the middle layer of the earth. In this layer, you can see solid rocks on the outer region of this layer. So D is the correct answer. Clear children? Now, solar eclipse occurs when? Fourth question. Solar eclipse occurs when? Options are the moon comes between the earth and the sun, the earth comes between the sun and the moon, the sun comes between the moon and the earth, and none of the above. A is the correct answer. That is, when the moon comes between the earth and the sun, solar eclipse occurs. Okay children. Now the fifth question. Lunar eclipse occurs when? Lunar eclipse occurs when? And the options are the moon comes between the earth and the sun, the earth comes between the sun and the moon, the sun comes between the moon and the earth, and none of the above. B option children. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, we have lunar eclipse. Okay. Now here, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, you have to mention whether they are true or false. First statement is, the inner core of a earth is a solid sphere, that is round in shape. The inner core of the earth, okay, is a solid sphere, a round shaped object. Okay, so this is true. Yes. In the core of the sun, hydrogen gets converted into helium. Second option children, second bit. In the core of the sun, hydrogen gets converted into helium. This is also true. Third one, the moon produces its own light. No, this is false. The moon reflects the sunlight. Fourth one, the moon has a lot of craters on its surface. Okay, craters are the round holes because of meteoroids. Because of meteoroids, which are rocks, as they are going to hit the surface of the moon, the craters are formed. So this is also true. Now fifth one, total solar eclipse is visible from all parts of the sun. No children, this is false. No. Earth revolves around the sun, so there is change even in day and night also. No, in some countries, in some places we have day, some places we have night. Same like that, even solar eclipse also, it is not going to be visible same, or it is not going to visible from all parts of the earth. So this is a false statement. So these are the exercises from the lesson, children, and we are going to learn some more question and answers from the previous state and national level Olympiad examination. Okay children, let's continue from level 1. So the first question is, the figure shows the shape of the moon in the night sky. What is the phase of the moon at this time? So children, here in the picture you are able to see the picture of the moon in the sky, that is in the night time, night sky. Okay, so what is the phase of the moon at this time? So as we have learned, the moon, it revolves around the earth and it has got so many phases. So when this during this revolution process, okay, like new moon, full moon, crescent moon, and all that. So according to this picture, what is this phase of the moon called? Either it is a new moon, crescent moon, half moon, or gibbous moon. The answer is gibbous moon, that is like which is greater than a semicircle. See, it is not a circle and it is not a semicircle, so it is a greater than a semicircle. No, this shape is called as a gibbous moon. Clear children? Now the second question, which of the bar charts shown below gives the correct change in the size of the moon? So here we are calculating the size of the moon, that is measuring the size of the moon in the form of a bar chart. No, as the size increases, even the bar also increases. If the size is decreasing, the bar size also will be decreased. Okay, so let us calculate, and we have to choose the correct change in the size of the moon. Like one number, the one number indicates new moon, 2 number indicates the crescent moon, 3 half moon, 4 full moon. Okay children, so what will match? That is D option. The new moon, no, its size is less. Again crescent moon, moon size increases. Size in the sense the brightness level area that increases. Again half moon, the third one. Again the full moon, the total moon will be covered with light. No, full moon. So this D option is the correct answer. Now the third question, an eclipse occurs because. So we have solar eclipse, we have lunar eclipse. Okay, so an eclipse occurs because. So options are when light travels in straight lines, or second option, the earth revolves around the sun and the moon revolves around the earth. Now we have learnt that the earth revolves around the sun. No, and the moon, it revolves around the earth. So the third option is the earth rotates on its axis. Fourth one is the moon reflects sunlight. Actually both 4 options are the right statements, but here we are talking about an eclipse. So an eclipse, when does it occur? For that particular question, the answer is first and second options. I mean first and second, that is only 1 and 2. When light travels in straight line, like between sun, earth and moon, or it can be sun, moon, and earth. So when this light is traveling in the straight line, eclipse is going to occur. And also this light, how it is traveling in the straight line? Because of the revolutions of the earth and also the moon. Okay, because the earth is revolving around the sun. No, this is earth is revolving around the sun and the moon is revolving around the earth. Because of these two, an eclipse is going to occur. It may be solar eclipse or it may be lunar eclipse. The fourth question, what is the phase of the moon during which an eclipse of the moon occurs? So what is the phase of the moon? How is the phase? No, is it a new moon, full moon, crescent moon or quarter moon? So when this, what is the phase of the moon during which an eclipse of the moon occurs? Okay, so eclipse of the moon is nothing but lunar eclipse. No, so the phase is of full moon. B is the correct answer. Okay, B is the correct answer, children. Now the next question. Fifth question. The figure shows what observers see during the solar eclipse. What is the black round object in the above diagram? The figure shows what observers see. The figure shows here, comma, what observers see. What we see. We observers in the sense who are all observing the eclipse in the sky. Okay, who are all seeing it, watching it. During the solar eclipse, what is the black round? Here are you able to see this black round object in the above diagram? Is it the earth? Is it the sun's shadow? Is it the moon's shadow? Or is it the earth's shadow? And the answer is the moon's shadow. Okay, children, because this is the solar eclipse where the moon is blocking the sun. Okay, so that is why this is the moon's shadow. Here the sixth question. The diagram shows the positions of the sun, earth and moon. What is the eclipse taking place? See here in the diagram you are seeing the positions of the sun, earth and also moon, and all are in the straight line if you see. No. So what is the eclipse taking place? So here the earth is in between the moon and the sun. Then is it a lunar eclipse, or solar eclipse or total eclipse of the sun? And this is lunar eclipse. This is lunar eclipse where the earth here is blocking the sunlight, okay, on the moon. That is why this is lunar eclipse. Clear, children? Now, the natural satellite of the earth is, either the sun, the moon, the meteor or the asteroid. What is the natural satellite of the earth? Yes, the moon. B is the correct answer. Question. The first Indian to go to moon is, the first Indian astronaut who landed on moon. Who is he? Is it Kalpana Chawla, Jay Norway, Rakesh Sharma or Anil Sharma? And the answer is Rakesh Sharma. But for the first person is Neil Armstrong. Here we are talking about Indian astronaut who landed on moon. The first Indian was Rakesh Sharma. Ninth question, children. Which of the statements is or are correct? So here we are having 4 statements. So you have to select the statement which is or are correct. The A statement is, the moon has its own light. This is wrong. Moon does not have its own light. No, it is going to be bright because of the sun. The moon reflects the light of the sun. Yes, That is correct. The moon reflects the light of the earth. Again, this is wrong. And D, all the above is also wrong. So what is our correct answer? B. The moon reflects the light of the sun. Now during this revolution around the earth, the moon, it reflects the light of the sun. Now 10th question. The person who goes into space is called. The person who goes into space, who travels into space, is called a or an astronaut, geologist, scientist, architect. No, and this is astronaut. Okay, astronaut. Okay, children. 11th question. Which of the following is a necessary condition for a lunar eclipse to occur? So, which of the following is a necessary condition for a lunar eclipse to occur? So, when is this lunar eclipse is going to occur? So, what is the condition? A is the moon must be full. B is the moon must be waxing. C is it must be the beginning of the month. D is it must be winter in the northern hemisphere. And the answer is the moon reflect and the answer is the moon must be full. The moon must be full. Then we will be having the lunar eclipse. Question, children. Anil draws the diagrams of the moon he sees one night. That is, one night he saw this moon and he drew this diagram A. Okay. After a few nights, again he drew another picture which he saw on that particular night. That is this B. Okay. So, why does the moon look different at different nights? So, this picture is different and this picture is different. Okay. So, this is a crescent moon or this is a full moon. Okay, children. So, why is this different? Is the revolution of the moon around the earth is because of this? Is because of the rotation of the moon? Is because of the revolution of the moon around the new moon? Or it is both A and C. A and C, revolution of the moon around the earth and around the sun. And what is the answer, children? It is because of the revolution of the moon around the earth. The moon, it going to revolve around the earth. Okay, because of that the moon is going to look different periodically. No, for every 1 quarter. Okay, clear? Yes. 13th, what is taking place when the moon blocks the sun? What is taking place when moon is going to block the sun? Is it lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, halo formation, or all of this? And the answer is solar eclipse. Clear, children? Now, what are the areas where satellites can be used? So, we are having natural satellites. We are also having artificial satellite, that is man-made satellites. So, these days number of satellites have launched from every country. So, I mean, these astronaut scientists are launching so many satellites so that we can get some information and we can also know about certain things. So, what are they used for? Okay, either for weather forecasts or telecommunications or data processing. And the answer is 1 and 2 for getting the information about the weather forecast, when is this rain, when do these natural disasters like earthquakes, cyclones, storms and all this. No, so about weather and also telecommunication like our telephone, internet. Okay, all these telecommunications. To know about this, we are using satellites. Okay, children. So only 1 and 2. Where is this 1 and 2? Yes, A option. Clear? Now the next question, 15th one. Name the first man-made satellite. Man-made satellite, that is artificial satellite. Is it Apple? Is it Google? Is it Sputnik 1 or Aryabhatta? It is C, that is Sputnik 1. 16th question. Identify the given picture. What is this? Is it a lever? Is it a satellite? Is it a screw? Or is it a pulley? And the answer is a satellite. Okay children, this is a satellite. Now the 17th question. When is a shadow formed? When is a shadow formed? So shadow. No, even we also have shadows. No, every object has got its own shadow. When is this shadow formed? When light is blocked by an object, when light is passed through a glass pane, when light is allowed to pass through a piece of transparent paper, or when light is passed through a magnifying glass. And the answer is when light is blocked by an object. So then a shadow is formed. Blocked in the sense when light is covered. No, it is blocked. Light is stopping. Light is stopped by an object. Light is stopped by an object. 18th one is, which of the following positions of the sun, the earth and the moon represents a solar eclipse? So here children, you are having 4 options where you can see the position of sun, moon and the earth. So which position is going to represent a solar eclipse? So see here, you have got moon in the first A, moon, then sun, then earth. This is wrong. Again sun, moon and earth. Yes, this is right. So sun, again in between moon, then the earth, all in straight line. Okay, so moon in the center. So this position is going to represent a solar eclipse. So B is the correct answer. Clear children? Now 19th question. Large round holes found on the moon's surface are called large round holes. So I have shown you in the picture like some objects, celestial objects, when they are going to hit the surface of the moon, so they are formed as, what are they? Like they are formed as round holes. No, are they bubbles, meteoroids, craters or planets? And the answer is craters. So when these meteoroids are going to hit, meteoroids are nothing but like rocks, no, rocks from outer space and all. So when they are going to hit the surface of the moon, so we can see a round holes on the surface of the moon, which we call it as craters. Clear children? Now the last question for today. Some students carried out the following experiment. Which phenomenon is being experimented? See here, some of you, like your friends, your students have done an experiment. So they have just they have just made this experiment where you can see the moon, the earth here, again the sun here. Okay, and yes, so this is the sun. No, this is the sun where light is reflecting. No, light is reflecting. So here in between you can see the moon. So this phenomenon is being experimented as what? What they are trying to show. Options are the formation of the gravitational field, the formation of 4 seasons, the formation of day and night, and the formation of solar eclipse. Okay, so solar eclipse, and the answer is the formation of solar eclipse. Why? Because so you are having sun here, moon here, again earth here. Okay, so because of this, what is happening? So solar eclipse is going to take place. This is the experiment of the formation of solar eclipse. Clear, children? So that is what we have discussed today. So I will be concluding here. We are going to learn about some more question and answers in tomorrow's session. Until then, take care and goodbye. Visit our website www.aimstoday.in for further information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.